I asked you to come with me to California, Dad. What do you want? What the hell do you want? If I lived here for the rest of my life, it wouldn't be enough for you. I tried. God damn it, I tried to be the dutiful son. To be the image of the good son. Commanded at your presence at every conceivable moment. Easter, Christmas, birthdays, Thanksgiving. Even that Thanksgiving, when Carol was dying. He had no regard of what was actually going on. My wife was dying. Know that it's not terrible to want to see your son. It's terrible to want to control him completely and entirely. Ungrateful? What do I have to be grateful for? You resented everything you gave me. The orphan boy in you resented everything. I'm sorry as hell that you have a terrible childhood. When I was a kid and you told me those stories, I went to my room at night and cried. But there's nothing I can do about it. And it does not excuse anything. I am grateful for you. And I admire and respect for everything you made for yourself. And I won't be able to touch it. But does not make me love you. And I wanted to love you. You hated your father. And I saw what it did to you. I did not want to hate you. I came so close to loving you tonight. I never felt so open with you. You don't know how much it took me to ask you to come to California with me when I was never able to sit alone in a room with you. Do you really think your door will always be open for me? Goodbye, Dad.